What solution should I be using? The purpose of the solution is to break the bonds between the instruments and the soil. Water alone has no cleaning properties and has high surface tension, which inhibits the cavitation bubbles from developing. Adding one of 3 types of cleaning solution reduces fluid surface tension and contains ingredients designed to optimize the ultrasonic cleaning process. Liquid solution allows for instantaneous solution preparation, while tablets and powder solutions must be fully dissolved prior to beginning the cleaning process. It is recommended that tablets and dry solutions be dissolved in hot water prior to placing them in the tank to prevent them from settling on the bottom of the tank until the ultrasonic action dissolves them. Note that some solutions specifically require the use of a beaker. BioSonic offers a full line of cleaning solutions, which offer the flexibility to efficiently clean and disinfect instruments, prostheses, and other items. It's recommended that BioSonic solutions be used with your BioSonic cleaner for consistent and effective performance. For more information on your UC150, consult your instructions for use or visit COLTENE.com.